back for another YouTube video. And we've just unlocked Sandy and Surge. So I got Sandy in this big box. Like, it's amazing luck if you use code BT1. That's the code I've been using all the time. And I unlocked Mortis in a big box while using code. So code BT1 is really the code you should use. Now we're going to be doing some gameplay with Sandy, Surge, and I got Gale's second star power, so let's try that out too. First we'll use Gale's star power, so we can like show you. Okay. Spin. Let's spin. Now let's get these boxes. Okay, you're excited. I just hope you have your excited. Whoa, you got this boy. Almost. I will do that. My emails are covered in my screen. I can't see. Those are my emails. Let's spin. Let's see if we want to. 3, 2 have teamed up, let's go! Did you just aim at me, huh? Oof. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for my teammate to come back with ice so someone will come and get this drink. And you know, I'll get Where did I jump? Oh my god. I don't know Let's go. We won. We literally just won. They had 11 power cubes and we just had about 6. And my teammate had like, I have no clue, 1, and we won against those people. Let's go. One more win. Now let's play some games with Surge. Solo showdown. We'll get into some solo showdown. There will be some music in place to this, so you can sit back and relax. So, okay, so now, why does matchmaking take too long? That's the problem with matchmaking. Okay, only 3 minutes, as you know. Speed boost up here. Let's go. The speed. We got speed. Oh, wait, no. Another Surge is giving me. Why, man? Wait, did that Surge have a star power? Wait, just replay on that. I have no clue. Okay, we're just gonna play one more game with Surge again. In big game. And after this, I'm gonna be showing you some cool, friendly games with Surge and star power. No, I have no clue. I'll just think of it. And I'll be showing you some cool things you can do in Brawl Ball. I mean, showdown with you if you have Nanny and your star power and her gadget. You can suppose you're in a bush. I don't want to spoil it. I'm not going to spoil it. Okay, you can be. By the way, I got Mortis. I got Mortis in a big box. If you didn't know. Why am I so slow? I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Wait, these people have star powers? And already? I'm pretty sure these people are not. I'm pretty sure these people are just noobs. I didn't assume that they would have star powers. What is going on? Speed. There's a need for speed, and this is the time that we need speed. Oh, I didn't see that coming. I was looking at the other direction. The animation of Surge shooting is so cool, right? Ching, ching, ching. Yes, no, long distance. I'm winning this match for sure, I bet. Okay, let's not get overconfident. There's a need for speed. This is the need when you have speed. Let me just jump for some reason. I'm gonna spin because we would win. Let's go. One win. Let me see my battle log. Let's see. Has star power, right? 13,162. And his max, let's see which level. 7 and already maxed out? Whoa, that's crazy. And then we go to King, 18,000. Then we check out his Mr. P and it's what? Maxed out already? All his brawlers are maxed out? Except few of them. That's too cool. By the way, subscribe to Spence LC channel, and there's so many good other YouTubers like Us YouTube, who's gone down. Us YouTube and all of these, lots of people. Now let's play some duels with Sandy. How are you? I should have recorded my box opening. That would be just crazy. Like literally, I got Sandy in a big box. That's what you get for using code BT1. Such great luck. Please use code BT1 and you can pick your own creator codes. Use Lex, use BT1, use any code. But please support a creator because it means a lot to these people. And please, if you could, please get me one code. It would mean a lot to me if you got me a code. It would just mean a lot. So much to me. It would mean the whole world to me. It would mean the whole world to me. Yeet! I just got yeeted, man. Yeet! Just yeet that hats off. Okay, second place with Sandy. It's okay. Modest at the, what you call it? A power drink. Yeah, a power drink. The modest at the power drink. Power drink. There's an offer for Leon. My friend has got Leon. Wait. Is my brother battling? I thought he wanted to love like me. Now I'm gonna be playing with my highest brawler, like in rank. Gale is actually my highest in trophies, but Rosa is my highest in. No, this is duo shot on solo. Please be solo. I don't die actually. expired box. Those are that. I'm gonna create a file. I created a font. I'm on fire! I was on fire! Okay, let's go to the one. Just shoot! My gosh! Did that sound like Mickey Mouse? Oh my god! Go to sleep on Sunday. We're gonna be sleeping. Yuck. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm gonna be playing a friendly game. I'm gonna be showing you some. Wait, no, I'm gonna be using Nanny in a real game of solo showdown. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's get ready. Rumble! It's almost time to end this video. Okay, it is time to end the video. I hope you guys had a great whatever time it is now. And peace out, fam.